Reverse engineering, also known as backwards engineering or back engineering, is a process or method through which one attempts to understand, through deductive reasoning, how a previously made device, process, system, or piece of software accomplishes a task with very little, if any, insight into exactly how it does so. Depending on the system under consideration and the technologies employed, the knowledge gained during reverse engineering can help with repurposing obsolete objects. Although the process is specific to the object on which it is being performed, all reverse engineering processes consist of 3 basic steps: information extraction, modeling, and review. Information extraction is the practice of gathering all relevant information for performing the operation. Modeling is the practice of combining the gathered information into an abstract model, which can be used as a guide for designing the new object or system. Review is the testing of the model to ensure the validity of the chosen abstract. Like, share and subscribe Arrowits for more videos.